Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase's tax reporting tools. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's tax reporting tools, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one. Just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any more time at all. Let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the website, or you can choose to do that on the mobile app on your mobile phone. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the Tax Center tab, and there you can browse the tax reporting tools that are available. You got tax forms, transaction histories, and whatnot. Just go through the ones that you want to use, and then when you find them, you can use the tax reporting tool to generate tax reports. And of course, you can download these tax reports if you want to have them, and use the tax reports to file your taxes more accurately. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's tax reporting tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.